Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, my name is Kathura Kimathi and welcome to my channel, Learn Maths with Kathu. So today, I'd like us to go through the divisibility test for 7. So far we've gone through the divisibility test for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's now talk about the divisibility test for 7, okay? So how do you know if a number is divisible by 7? The first thing you need to do if you want to know that a number is divisible by 7 is to first multiply the digit in the ones number place of that number by 2, okay? So then after that, you need to subtract twice the last digit of the number with the remaining digits, okay? With the remaining digits, that is the digits that you haven't touched, okay? And if you have a big number, all you need to do is repeat the process until you get a smaller number that you know for sure is divisible by 7, okay? So let's look at some examples for the sake of clarity, okay? So this is the first question that I want us to look at today. Is this number divisible by 7? So the digit in the ones number place of this number is 9, okay? So when you multiply the digit in the ones number place of the number, which is 9, by 2, you get 18, okay? So then we'll subtract the 18 from the digits that haven't been touched, okay? Which is this part here, okay? When you subtract that, you get 574. So is this number divisible by 7? So I will repeat the same process until we get a smaller number, okay? Yeah, so here we'll multiply the last digit of the number by 2 and then subtract it from the remaining digits, the digits that haven't been touched, okay? So 57 minus 8 is 49, okay? Is 49 divisible by 7? Yes, it is. 49 is certainly divisible by 7, okay? And actually, we covered the multiplication table of 7 some time back. This is what we said about table 7. So I'll leave the link to the playlist on multiplication of whole numbers in the description box below so that you're all on the same page. Okay? Yeah, so because this number is divisible by 7, automatically means that this entire number is also divisible by 7. Are we together? So yeah, we can confirm that by using long division. When you divide this number by 7, you'll get a whole number. Okay, and by the way, I covered the topic on division of whole numbers some time back. So I'll leave the link in the description box below for the sake of clarity. So let's look at another example. So is this number divisible by 7? So you can pause the video and try and work it out by yourself. So I believe you've tried. So in order for us to know whether this number is divisible by 7, the first thing we need to do is to multiply the digit in the ones number place by 2, okay? And then subtract that from the digits that haven't been touched, okay? So when you do that, we have 6 times 2 is 12. So we'll subtract the 12 from the remaining digits, okay? So when you subtract, you get 883. So is this number divisible by 7? We still can't tell because it's a big number. So we'll repeat the same procedure until we get a number that we know for sure is divisible by 7. Okay? So we'll multiply the last digit with 2 and then subtract it from the digits that haven't been touched, the remaining digits. Okay? So is 82 divisible by 7? So I can divide the number by long division and find out, okay? So this number is certainly not divisible by 7 because it leaves a remainder, okay? Are we together? Yes, should we do another example? Let's do one last example. It doesn't hurt. So for the last example, I'd recommend that you pause the video and try to do it by yourself so that you can ensure that you fully understood the concept. Okay? Okay, this is the last example that I want us to talk about today. So, is this number divisible by 7? So pause the video and try and do it by yourself. Okay, so let's now do it together. So our first step is to multiply the digit in the ones number place by 2 and then subtract it from the remaining digits, the digits that haven't been touched. Are we together? So when you do that, we have, yeah, so when you do that, we get this. So is this number divisible by 7? We still can't tell. So we'll repeat the same procedure until we get a number that we know for sure is divisible by 7. So when you follow the procedure I've talked about, you'll get 28 as the last number. So do we know if 28 is divisible by 7? Yeah, so you wrote table 7 somewhere. This is what you said about table 7. 28 is here, okay? 7 times 4 is 28. So we can comfortably conclude that 28 is divisible by 7, okay? And because 28 is divisible by 7, then that automatically means that this entire number is divisible by 7. Are we together? Yes, and that's basically it. That's all for table 7. So yeah, always remember that math is all about practice. Practice makes perfect, okay? Yes, additionally, I'd like to mention that I offer tutoring services. So if you're interested in getting tutored, please make sure you fill out the Google form that I've included in the description box of this video, as well as in all my other videos. I'll reach out to you as soon as possible, okay? Yes, if you enjoyed the lesson, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Subscribing is free. Yay! See you in 2 weeks' time. Same time, same place. Bye!